Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at how to propagate the Scidoxis multiflorus or the football lily with the help of these lovely berry-like seeds. So this is how the seeds of the Hemanthus would look like. So probably the berry appearance of the seed is because the animals mistake it for a berry, eat it, and then throw away the seeds onto the ground, and that's how it gets propagated. But as far as I know, this plant is toxic, so please do not try eating this berry, however interesting or exciting it looks. So another interesting fact about this plant is that it produces just one or two seeds out of all the florets or all the pollens that it had earlier. So it produces only one seed because all the energy of the plant goes into producing this seed, because that's how this plant functions. And you can see I had shown you earlier in a not so very clear video that I'd sown a seed in this container and we have a new Hemanthus multiflorus. So it's very simple. It will become a bulb once you sow this seed into the ground. So this fruit or this berry will have a yellow interior, and inside that there will be a small seed. So while sowing this, you can sow it wholly. You don't have to break it or just take the seed and sow it. You can sow it along with the red sheath. So guys, if this plant sprouts out, then I will be giving away this plant to one of those lucky subscribers who have been very active on my channel. And if you are a localite, that is if you're from Bangalore, then I can easily give this plant to you. So no chemicals used, no artificial synthetic fertilizers used. This is as natural as any seed could get, and this could be yours. So just keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing my videos, and you can have one of these blood lilies or football lilies in your garden as well. It is quite rare to find football lilies in the nursery or the garden centers, so I can help you out with this. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like my videos, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and have a nice day.